Hi, I'm Suzanne Gibson from eComply. This video is about advertising compliantly. It will be useful for mortgage and insurance brokers, but also it would help marketing companies who are looking to advertise in our industry. There are quite a lot of rules and regulations around financial promotions, and each one is unique. So it's difficult for us in a video to cover every single angle, but this video will actually provide you with some tips and guidance to help you to create something more compliantly. So when I look at an advert, often than not, there are certain things that I will pick up on. One of the main things is that I see adverts that are not completely true and accurate. For an example, if you say that you are going to get back to that customer within 2 hours, it means that you will get back to them within 2 hours. That means Christmas Day, weekends, whenever you're on holiday, it doesn't matter. So think about what you actually put. If you say you're going to get back within 24 hours, can you actually get back to them in 24 hours? So make sure that every statement that you produce is true. Think about what you actually put and think, if something happened, if that person contacted me, can I deliver? One of the other things that I often see is the words that we will do the best, or we will get you the best deal. Think to yourself, can you? If you're an insurance broker, there are a lot of products out there. So can you definitely get them the best product or price? Often than not, there may be markets that you don't have access to, or insurers that you don't have access to. So think about, can you deliver? Can you truly give them the best deal ever? And the same goes for mortgage brokers as well. A lot of rates fall off, put on back on, and that happens on a daily basis. So can you truly get them the best price or the best deal? So think about what you put. One of the other things that I tend to find that we see is that people will use the FCA logo. Believe it or not, that is something that you can only use if you've got a license from the FCA to use. Most people think of the logo as a stamp to say that yes, I'm regulated by the FCA. They don't particularly like that, because they're not whilst they authorize you, they aren't actually saying that what you deliver is compliant, if it's correct. So by using their FCA logo, it's almost validating, and that's something that they will not provide. So don't use the FCA logo unless you have got a license from them to actually use it. The rules on that just does change. So if you're watching this video in a few years' time, then things may change. So please look at the rules to make sure whether or not that is the case. One of the other things that we do say is make sure that you don't look like as though the advert that you produce is endorsed by the FCA. What I mean by that is avoid using FCA approved or similar words within an advert, or that you are authorized or approved by the FCA to give advice. Again, they don't like to be used as an endorsement. You can use the FCA regulated statement to say that you're authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, but that must be at the bottom of an advert, if it's an advert that you're producing, or on a website, again at the bottom. But it shouldn't be included within the core part of an advert. These are just some tips that obviously I thought I would share with you. There are a lot more. Every advert is unique, so please be careful. I hope that you found this video useful. Obviously, we couldn't go through every single tip, but we do have a financial promotions manual that provides a lot more and will guide you on producing either a compliant website, social media, or any other type of advertisement. Please refer to our website and also look out for any other videos on this subject.